Hello all, welcome back to RPA with Saurabh. In this video today, we will learn how to connect to Outlook using UiPath integration services and trigger automation on mail arrival. So in UiPath 2026, we have an option connection in the folder level. So this is my folder shared and we have an option connections here to connect to any third party application. So we have to click add connection, click search and search for Outlook. Click on the Microsoft Outlook 365. Click on the connect button and select your account. So here I have to select my account. Now it is connected to Outlook account. So integration service is now active of Microsoft Outlook 365. You can see here. See this check for every event is for set to 5 minutes. So edit this and set to 1 minute. We have to choose custom, decrease minutes, already there. Just click update. Now it is for 1 minute. Now how we can integrate this to a process? So open UiPath Studio and go to manage package and download the package Microsoft 365, or you can type UiPath dot Microsoft 365 activities. This one is the package. Click install and save. Once installed, we can use the activities to read the mails from the Outlook account. Just wait for a few seconds till it's ready. So the package is installed now. So the package is, the version is 3.7.10. So we have to install this package or the latest package. Then in the activities search, get email list. Drag and drop the activity. Here we can utilize the connection. We have Microsoft Outlook 365 connection here in the shared folder. Then we have to create a variable. So email list variable, just let me create. Email list. Let's show the total inbox email, the total number of emails available in the Outlook account. So to show this, write total number of emails, email list dot count dot toString. Let's debug this if it's working or not. So now it's trying to get the emails. So now we can see the total number of emails is 38. So it successfully read the email address. Now click on the publish button to publish this package, and we can add a trigger. Click publish. So package is published to the tenant. Now go to automations, add a process, select the package first, Outlook integration, click next. Then here we have to select the integration service account. Select the folder inbox. We can select any folder here. We don't need the healing agent here. Just click create. Now close. Let's open the assistant. Now we have to add a trigger. So in the automation trigger, we have to go to event trigger. In the event trigger, add a new trigger. Then name, you can give any name. You have to select the process Outlook account. Then we have to choose the execution target account, machine, host name. Now next, so we have to select the connector here. So search for Outlook 365. So the connection is default, or you can select the connection again. So event, you have to choose the event. So email received, you can add multiple conditions or condition group here. Now we can add. So Outlook event is added now. Okay, so now we are testing the process for now, and then we'll send an email and test the process from the trigger event trigger option. So it's working. Let's see if it worked or not. So it's working, and it is success. Now I'm sending an email to the mailbox, and then we'll see if it's working or not. So I sent an email from my phone to this email ID. So we have to wait for 1 minute as our trigger is set to 1 minute. So previously the trigger option for this connections or integration service, it is in the integrated with integration service option. Here if we click on this trigger in 2026, it will go back to the go to orchestrator. So it will take us to the back to the orchestrator in the same place where we are. Okay, so we can check here now automation and trigger option. So here we can find the event trigger of Outlook every time in 2026. Let's check the job if it's working or not. We should wait for a few more seconds. Let's check email arrived or not. So there is no mail. I'm just sending again another mail to check. Let's wait once the email is here. So I think email is here. Let's check the trigger now. Now we can wait for a few seconds and it will work. Everything is fine. Now the process is running. We can refresh. So now the process is running now. From the event trigger, now it will show us the number. Total number of emails. Now it will show. Here is the total number of emails. So that's all for today. If you like the video, just like on the YouTube. Thank you for watching.